abusuya me ne wo ka say de Ghana eye journalist for ni bi e de ba beto abontin say ade a Naa Koryor eye no say Ghana is serious country a e was like by this time no ugina eye emrani mu a emra no eni no di almost say Ghana is serious country emrani eye aduma e was say by this time the Naa Koryor ya chi no na ya bono eye kwadu for causing fear and panic after no publishing a false and I say ya born for publishing false information. I say misleading or publishing misinformation and also causing fear and panic because say or can say Hawa Koomson try to okunu agent no but brand aba no aba won senya no kre no publication of false information and after causing fear and panic. That was the same thing Ay3k3 abronye. The same thing Ay3k3 fan comedy AY. And I can't know you want to mean the same thing. So Ghanaians and Ghana journalists for say if Ghana is a serious country, I talk about this time, then can Naa Koryor, you know every parliament as a member of parliament. You actually has sign ama nakunya no I da one pine I'm going to above floor. So say she doesn't deserve to be called an honorable member of parliament. We some Ghana for the two Ghana journalist and I told you first as we we are why Ghana and TV. It am just any promise. Young Congo someone but I told you Embra.
Okay, so we December 7.
That's all.
And it's a dana na
to abana, yes.
And then we na breaking news TV3
okay.
Na or say Phyllis Naa Koryor Okono, the NDC parliamentary candidate for Awutu Senior East, alleged that Hawa Koomson's V8 pursued her and fired at her car, killing one. And listen to the
accompanying audio account. All right.
This is one of the collective centers, which is Ay3k3. I went to step to Christ first. I realized that there was a V8, which is Hawa Koomson's V8, with the boys, Tima, and the rest. The same boys I complained about. They have followed me and they have shot one of my guys. In fact, they shot at my car separate times.
I see. And what's the situation there where you are now?
One guy is dead. It is so peaceful. Obviously, when someone is dead, how can he be peaceful? How can he be calm? There's a dead person lying down there. I want to think I killed someone. He wants to take my life and he has killed someone and injured another. What is the police doing about it?
Phyllis, how do you know that this V8 that pursued you is from your opponent, Hawa Koomson?
Angel.
Hello, Phyllis. Phyllis.
I know it is opponent because I know the car. I know the boys as well. This is not the first time the boys are coming to Kaswa. They have been to Kaswa before. They were in Kaswa 2020 and they were the same people who attacked me.
Phyllis, are you safe where you are right now?
Angel.
Can you hear me, Phyllis?
I am not saying my life is in danger. My life is in danger and the lives of my entire family. The lives of my entire family is in danger as we speak.
Phyllis, have you reported this incident to the police yet?
Yes, I have.
What action has been taken by the police?
Whether I want to like it or not, I have taken her out. Whether she likes it or not, I have won the election.
Phyllis, let's calm tempers. We'll wait for the election in Awutu Senior East to be declared by the Electoral Commission. In the meantime, I'm asking you, what action did the police take when you reported to them?
They haven't taken any action yet. Right now, I'm struggling. There are two people lying down, struggling for their life. One is dead. The other two is very serious issue.
All right. So we the member of parliament, then now the NDC candidate. Enti we ne koso ena oye sa report nipa ba kon ye investigation and listen to the interior minister.
So 2024 election violent cases starting with Ewutu Senya East Constituency, that's Kaswa. The task force observed that the Honorable Phyllis Naa Koryor Okeno denied that her convoy was attacked. She was nowhere near the scene of the incident. Persons who were involved in the incident have avoided speaking with the task force, while Muhammad Ali and others who were in the Mahindra pickup truck and 5 shots from their vehicle have also avoided speaking with the task force. So their opinion have not been established. Muhammad Ali is said to have been flown abroad for further treatment. The late Yusuf Larry Idris died from a gunshot, and those who were in the Mahindra pickup with him know what happened. The driver of the Mahindra has been traced, and further investigation is ongoing.
Angel.
All right. So Yusuf Ali, any free mono?
Yusuf Ali, yes. Only a free mono. Said the Phyllis report now pay the account no more that time say nipa ba ko free mono. And no kre say na nipa na free mo. But back abegya to mu say no enya ha Koomson bi attack no me it's that time na okasa aye na oka say onim car no Hawa Koomson and asuma say nipa na o ma ba o mo be attack no ene deny away no so ye situating me no meba na maji me no bebo sa nkomo no
eti insam wa Ghana journalist for no e dey atodwa no na chese me no me kwakwa e wo ko tie ba ye sama ka kire wo say NDC yenye party wo say ogini die san so mo ya atofo na ndafo nkontompofo omo de ntone ndada na edi omo nim firi say ye wo omo ankasa bo omo ba wi ase omo ye nkofo bi adwen boni wo mo trem na moja ene ne ma boni de empom mo trem de no nti no whatever they do it out of hatred, out of a year or time, and omo de omo ye bia this thing dia nke beti mama Hawa Koomson do. Look at what happened in Ablekuma North Rerun. Just 19 police stations. Obi to Oriem to say Lufthansa, to say Jet Li. Ebe pim mami, she formed Titia no so. All in the name say, Onunsu you do akaswa, not knowing say it wasn't true. It wasn't true. And today, Nyankopon, yacha magana phone nine, and we say it wasn't true. It wasn't true. She lied. And didn't now be yes, didn't then pan out show asasi we sunti ube chantro that to nyanko baso all in the name say you want to be a member of parliament. Is it by force to be a member of parliament? And this person calls herself honorable member of parliament. What is honorable about this useless fucking woman? What is honorable about this woman? What is honorable about this woman? There is nothing honorable about her. Or a bonsam. She be devil. She be devil. Wow. She be devil. And they tell you, if you dare serious country by this time, this woman, she for resign. Send the among us on the conscience. She for resign as a member of parliament. But on resign because she doesn't even care about you, the people. She doesn't care about you, the people. All she cares about is what she gets. She doesn't care about you, the people. And another day I catch them. Say these people, they don't care about you. They don't care about you and what you go through. They don't. They don't care about you. So whenever you are dealing with NDC people, make sure that we need a down, because a little mistake that you do, I'm gonna be found. I've been telling you people. And today we have been vindicated. The truth is already out, and now everybody knows that the NDC lied to Ghanaians. Hi, Ghana and Sam TV. I'm just so and the promise. Now go on.